welcome back to my channel, and today I have a small haul from Dollar Tree and Walmart and Office Max. So I'm so glad that everybody enjoyed the live chit chat I did yesterday. I had so much fun talking to you all. It just truly warmed my heart that you all showed up for me, and I can't thank you enough. So let's get into the haul. I'm really excited about this. And this is in no particular order. I think maybe I'll start with Walmart first. I got these, they're just pajamas, and they were $4.88. And it just says, it's just so cute. And then the back's like this. And I like to just kind of during the day sit around sometimes in pajamas. Or like, you know, naturally to sleep in them. And then this is the bottom. It was kind of like a mix and match, and it just is so cute. It says Sun Kiss, Summer Vibes, Stay Free. I just thought they were adorable. Okay, and I got that to go with that, right, that shirt. And then I got these with the little flip-flops. I thought they're adorable. They just look so summery, spring, and happy. I love them. And you can just mix match those shirts back and forth however you want. And then this is another one, and this was the, like I said, the mix matched. And it says Sun Kissed, and I love it. I think it is so cute. And it does get really warm down here, so this will help me stay cool. And then these pants, I thought they're like little pajama pants. I thought they were just so cute to just either lounge around in. I love that. That fabric is so pretty. And these were $7.88. So I love some of Walmart stuff, and I love Target stuff too. But this was mostly where I went, was Walmart. And then this one said beautiful, and I think that's really pretty. And it was $7.88 as well. But I can wear this with these, and I think that's really, really cute. And then I picked this up. I'm not gonna open it, but it's a round beach blanket, and it looks like a donut that's partially eaten. I just love it. And it's got like jelly beans sprinkled on the top, but I thought that was really cute. And this was like $9 and something, but I really do love it, and it's soft, and I think it just looks so cute either by the pool or at the beach. I love that, so I picked that up. And then I guess we'll go to Office Max. Oops, sorry. I guess we'll go to Office Max next. I only got two things from Office Max. I got these Avery shipping labels, and they are 8.5 by 11, and this is how I make my stickers. Now, I usually get the white ones, but these are the clear ones because I'm going to do something different with this. So I picked these up. And then I saw this Scotch washi in there, and I loved the colors. So I picked that up. And oh, I do have one other thing from Walmart. Well, two other things. I picked this up at Walmart, and this was, I want to say, I think it might have been like $9 and some change, but it's really pretty. It has this container, and then these three metallic things, and you can use it for putting your silverware and your napkins when you're outside, or you can do a lot of other things with this as well. So I picked that up. And then in my craft room, I have these tall bins that I got from Walmart, and I picked up 8 of these to go inside this because I love how this looks. So I picked up 8 of these because you can really put a lot in something like that, and it helps me stay organized. Goodness knows I need it. And then the last thing would be Dollar Tree. And I found some more beautiful flowers. I may have already hauled something that looked a lot like these, but I just love them, so I can't help myself. I did because I remember what I did with them. But I got some more of these little lilacs. I love those colors. The deeper purple, the lighter, and then this beautiful color. I think they're gorgeous. And then I picked up Tweedia. I think that's how you say this. I thought this was gorgeous. I just love the color, and I love how they kind of hang over. So I picked up 3 bunches of this, and the lilacs I had 6 bunches of those. And then I picked up just 6 of these 5x7 picture frames that have the little like a border inside, but I'm going to take the border out, I'm pretty sure. And but I have a project in mind for this. And then I picked up some of this. Anytime I see this burlap ribbon at Dollar Tree, I get it because you can do so much with it. And I just love how it looks with the little lace detail. I think it's beautiful. And then I went and picked up some more of this burlap ribbon too. I mean, you cannot beat it. You get 9 feet of it for $1, and that's really good. And then I picked up another one of these little craft foams because you can use this in so many things. And then I also picked up one of these square craft foams. And then I picked up some washi tape. And when I was doing John Wayne, I knew I had seen this wooden washi tape at my Dollar Tree, and I went and I couldn't find it, so I ended up at Michael's, which I did get it on sale like I told you all, but I would have much rather had this. So when I saw it, I grabbed it. And then this, I hadn't had this before. It has the little birds on it, and I think they're so sweet. I really do love that. And then this is just so whimsical. I had to get that. I thought it would be so adorable. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but at Dollar Tree, if you see it and you don't get it, then you really miss out. And the last thing is from Walmart, I forgot, but I picked up 2 of these canvases that are 16 by 20. And I have some ideas what I'm gonna do with this too. So I hope everybody is doing really well, and I'm so glad that you all enjoyed the little chat that we had. And so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.